Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the fascinating world of miniature cooking. Miniature cooking is a unique and exciting form of cooking where everything is made in tiny proportions, often using real ingredients and functional miniature kitchen equipment. From tiny stoves and ovens to miniature utensils, miniature cooking is a creative way to explore the culinary arts. There are many miniature cooking channels and creators, each with their unique style and approach to the craft. Some channels focus on recreating popular dishes in miniature form, while others take a more experimental approach, using miniature cooking as a way to explore new flavors and techniques. To give you a taste of what miniature cooking is all about, we're going to demonstrate how to make a classic dish, miniature pancakes. To start, we will mix some flour, sugar, and baking powder in a tiny mixing bowl. We'll add in some milk and a tiny egg, and whisk everything together using a miniature whisk. Next, we'll heat up a tiny pan on our miniature stove and add a small amount of butter. Using a tiny ladle, we'll spoon some of our pancake batters into the pan and let it cook for a few seconds on each side. And there you have it, miniature pancakes. They may be small, but they're packed with flavor and just as delicious as their full-sized counterparts. So why do people love miniature cooking so much? For one, it's a fun and creative way to explore the culinary arts. It's also a great way to experiment with new flavors and techniques without committing to a full-sized dish. Additionally, miniature cooking is a great way to reduce food waste. You can avoid throwing out excess ingredients and create perfectly portioned dishes every time by using tiny portions. Finally, miniature cooking has a vibrant and supportive community. From online forums to in-person events, miniature cooking enthusiasts love to share their creations and connect with others who share their passion. And that's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed this introduction to miniature cooking and maybe even feel inspired to try it out for yourself. Subscribe and stay with us. We hope to bring you delicious miniature food recipes through our channel in the future. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.